Hey guys, we just got this G90 M5 in. It's getting a full vinyl wrap, brand new car, honestly, almost straight from the dealer, barely any miles, so very exciting project for us. It's going satin dark basalt gray. It's this kind of super dark, almost gray brownish color. Looks really neat, and it looks almost like a BMW individual color. So we'll be getting started on that shortly. Let's give you a little bit of B-roll, and then we'll show you guys the finished product soon. Hey guys, we're back with the finished product on the BMW M5 G90. It is fully finished up. As you can see behind me, it looks crazy. This almost looks like this one stock color. This is dark gray, but this one also has a bit of a brownish tint to it. So this is Avery Dennison's dark salt gray. I think it's something like that. It's a crazy color combo, and it just looks insane on this car. It accentuates all the curves. That's what Satin does, honestly. It makes the body lines just pop so much more. So let's just do a quick walkthrough of what we've done to it. So all edges are wrapped. We left nothing unwrapped. Basically everything that was body colored before is now vinyl wrapped. We also did a ceramic coating on it as well to protect all of our hard work. That's going to make it a lot easier to clean. It's also going to preserve the wrap a little bit. It's going to help kind of extend that lifetime as well. And then we also finished it off with some taillight tint to make it look a lot meaner as well. The customer, he kind of opted to keep a few things gloss black. He kept, his grill gloss black, his mirrors, the window trims, because the roof, it's made out of glass. So, you want some stuff to kind of match, and the glass almost looks black. So that's why he kind of opted to keep a lot of his stuff gloss black. You can see the taillight tint. It kind of darkened it out. It's not too much. This is a medium taillight tint, so it's not going to be crazy dark, but it definitely does make it look a lot meaner. Everything on the back is wrapped as well. We did this trunk all in one piece to remove the spoiler, the badges, everything. So really looks good. It almost looks like a paint job because that's what we want it to look like. We want it to look like there's no vinyl wrap. It's just a plain paint job that looks amazing. So we're about to deliver this to the customer. I think he's gonna be really excited when he gets it. And yeah, that's the finished product, guys. Check it out.